See Prince. Saran, back of a length. I think it's important for Chennai Rhinos to try and get as much as possible at this stage. You know, after losing 7 wickets, we all know that how many runs would be getting there to put a fighting score on the board.
Look at how where he's standing. He's standing outside the batting crease. Is the batsman, and I don't think the bowler Prince is going to be very happy with that. He says, "Hang on, I'll bang it short. Let you know who's boss."
Typical fast bowlers application. That's another wide outside the off stump.
Contrasting styles for both batsmen. Bose is standing well inside his batting crease. That's for you, Sunil.
That's for the whole fans have assembled here for all of them.
This is where Bose is standing. He's standing well inside the batting crease. Trying to make...
Brilliantly won. Bose timed it well. But a good effort from Prince. Stopped on his follow through.
Play and a miss there by Saran. And that's not working for Saran. And that's probably something he needs to rethink. This strategy of trying to come down the track isn't working out.
Raman, is the actions towards you or towards the fans who have come here all the way supporting their team?
Sunil, one, I'm not that lucky, and number two, ये थोड़ा पुराना हो गया.
पुराना तो हो गया मगर है तो है वही है.
Oh, that's a cracker. No, it didn't really come off the meat of the blade. Just a single. Oh, they're going to come back for two. This could be trouble. Had there been a better throw.
Absolutely, a throw would have been closer to the stump. It could have been another run out. One ball left in the this over. Yes, absolutely. The support from the Telugu Warriors team and their fan following stars.
That's an edge and taken by the keeper. A wicket of the final ball of the innings. Prince can celebrate. Chennai Rhinos wrap up their 10 overs. They've got just 69 on the board. Lost 8 wickets in the bargain as well. What a fantastic final over from Prince. Just giving away 4 runs, getting a wicket as well. He's bowled away. Again, look at that change of pace. You can clearly see he's tried to bowl the off-cutter off the outer edge. Simple catch for Harish behind the stumps.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Look on. We've got Ajay Mehra down near the 2 team dugouts, and very quickly let's go down to him and find out who Ajay is going to be talking to, with the Chennai Rhinos not making too many.
Thanks a lot. I've got Shantu, the man who really batted well, but Shantu, falling short of your target, probably what you would have thought for.
Well, I was looking at aiming at 85, 90 if I was in. But I guess everyone has a bad day, and I did what I could do best for my team.
But 20 for 5, always an uphill task, isn't it? Coming back from there, 20 for 5, you lose early wickets, always tough.
Yeah, but the whole point is when you stay in and you start watching the ball for 4 or 5 overs, and then the ball starts looking like a football for you, then you start using it in your game.
Very true. And what's the game from here now? Pick up early wickets?
Definitely. T10, T20, T10, you know, you never know. It's any team's game. So we pick up a couple of early wickets and try and put some pressure on them. It is going to be tough. Telugu is a very, very good team. They were a very, very strong side. We're going to give in our best. If we can pick up some early wickets, we probably have a chance here.
Now you were there at the crease for some time. How's the wicket like? Just tell about the wicket. How is behaving like?
The ball is coming on really well to the bat. It's clearly a batsman's wicket. But again, it's one bad day when, all of us fall that. But it's a good wicket to bat on. I enjoyed batting on the wicket.
All the best for the action now after the break.
Thank you so much.
So it's back to the comms out there.
Scenario with Ajay Mehra with a carbon Kamal catch.
Well, I've got Sudhir with me from the Telugu Warriors. Sudhir, first of all, looking very happy at the moment. You really done a good job on the field.
Yeah, I mean, we've always been good on the field, so we just repeated that. So happy, we won 2 seasons, so trying for the 3rd season.
But the good thing, you started off very well. First ball, getting a run out, then really putting the pressure on the opposition, the Chennai Rhinos. That was exactly what he wanted early on.
Yeah, we want to give them as less as possible. So that was the plan. So initial wickets will always help.
All set for the carbon Kamal catch. You got the bat in hand, and we have got the people out here who are going to take those catches. So all in readiness. The first one. Oh, that's a good one. Just moving to his left, doing up a good catch. And now the second man comes into play, into action. Oh, that's good catching. Doing a good job there. The fielding standards today have been pretty good, very impressive. Oh, one-handed. That's probably the best of them. Thanks, Sudhir, and all the best for this game as well. So that was Sudhir helping us out with the carbon Kamal catch.
We'll just find out in a few overs and a few balls. Ashok with the new ball. And power play is on. Remember, only 2 fielders allowed towards the boundary line. That means this is your big opportunity to score. And the first ball. Well, he's not ready. Southpaw waiting for the right frame of mind to attack that first ball. And let's see what transpires in the first over. You definitely guaranteed some big shots, and of course, an exuberant group, exuberant squad in the Telugu camp. And joining me in the commentary box is none other than former India Sunil Joshi. Sunil, welcome.
Thank you, Vinit. Sachin Joshi back in action again, once again. On the spotlight, finished his bowling quota. See what he can do in the bat. That's the one. Tried to pierce through point, but eventually straight to the fielder. Telugu Warriors inching towards the finals. We can see those moves there.
Well, the celebrations, Sunil, have already started. Well, is it? It is. He's given it. And a big blow to the Telugu Warriors. They've lost Sachin Joshi's wicket. Goes back for a duck. Well, he won't be too happy, and neither will the captain be. Well, he could have waited. थोड़ा संयम से अगर काम लेते तो मुझे लगता है कि अपनी विकेट बचा लेते. पर अच्छा कैच. गेंद का पता नहीं किस तरफ. और ये अपील और अंपायर ने कंसीड किया और पहला झटका लगा.
You got to appreciate there. That's the wicket which Rhinos wanted, because Sachin was in a great form.